Hi, I'm Dennis, and I'm here to bring you another data science book recommendation. Today's book is Thinking in Bets by the famous poker player Annie Duke. This was a really enjoyable book and very interesting to see how a poker player kind of takes away those concepts and applies them to real life. My biggest takeaway from the book was her emphasis on how just because you have a good result doesn't mean that you followed a good decision process to get there. And same thing in reverse. You might have had a good process, but you had a negative result. That doesn't mean that the process was bad. And I think that us as data scientists can kind of relate to that because no algorithm is perfect. You're going to make mistakes. That doesn't mean that you throw away the algorithm. You still kind of work with it, maybe refine it, use some reinforcement learning, things along those lines, right? So it's a really good book to kind of help you understand and maybe even help you talk to stakeholders a little bit about how you have to separate the process from the result. That you can still have a really good algorithm, a really good decision-making process in place, even though not every result is going to go the way you want it. So really good book for that. Really enjoyable. I got through this book really quickly because it's just fun and engaging. She does a really excellent job with this book. And if you'd like more data science leadership content, please click on like and follow below.